Might be the grinder.
I don't know, but I haven't seen that one.
Yeah.
I didn't know he had a full farm.
Right?
Here's your new daddy!